What's wrong? Still riding? V-Fire bike. They got these for Christmas. They love them. Go pretty fast. I got on it myself. It's pretty fast. Pretty fun. They really enjoy them. They kind of small, but I'm 4'11". I feel like they're fine, and they're a little shorter than me. Hold on, Aubrey. They're just taking them to ride at the bank right next door to our house. Empty bank lot. Be careful! Hold on, Josh. Come here.